Hello guys, I would like to share some of the important tips of English communication skills, which are the most important tips which will be useful for your life, and you carefully listen to me. Before learning and developing your fluency in English, it is very necessary to have a reading habit. And the best medium of reading is that newspaper. If you are having the regular reading of the newspaper daily, certainly you will update your knowledge, you will be in touch in the current affairs, and whenever you in touch of the current affairs, so certainly you will be able to discuss, to explain everything into English. By reading, it will give you the good practice of reading, good pronunciation in English, and certainly you make the habit of reading newspapers only. It is the first suggestion. And if you are interested to communication and to develop your skills in English, certainly you must be crazy. You must devote most of the time to English language. Improve your English language. So read the fiction and non-fiction items, and whenever you make your mind into English, English must be in your mind, in your heart. Every time you must be crazy in English. If you say some of the peoples that you are crazy and you are pagal, certainly it means that you got success. Pagal, it is the Hindi word, and there are three akshars, letters of pagal. In Hindi, if you could understand in a better way, the pagal means pa gaya laksh, pa ga la. जो अपना लक्ष्य पा गया वही पागल होता है. एंड इफ एनीबॉडी से टू यू दैट इट इज़ द पागल इन इंग्लिश, डोंट माइंड इट दैट यू आर पागल. इट मीन्स दैट you are successful in your mission. And whenever a person is crazy in anything performing, and he devotes some of the time, he certainly devotes his time whenever he interested in that. पहले तो first of all you must be interested in your topics. If you are not interested to do anything, you won't get anything better. So it is my suggestion that make the habit of English spoken, and you bring the newspaper daily, you update your knowledge. You certainly will get the latest news in the morning, and up to night you will be able to discuss with your friends, with your relatives in any time, because most of the interview viewers are asked current affairs questions which are related in IAS, in UPSC examinations. I have seen myself, it is my experience that whenever you appear in an interview, so certainly you get the question, you listen the question related to the current affairs the interviewer asks, and psychologically he witness at you. So if you are confident in giving in communication skills, and if you are able to solve the problem according to the questions, and you explain clearly with you your problems, so certainly you would be impressed and you will be selected there. So to improve your English, I would request that you make the habit of reading, and you go through the grammatical items. It is the important part, how to correct your pronunciation, grammatical mistakes. Certainly, most of the people say that without grammar we can speak English, and most of the coaching institute are claiming it is a wrong notion for that. But in the basic level, you must know about the basic grammar, how to use right word, and what is the correct sentences of the spoken, so that you could impress to others. But you have the calm and cool mind, go through the newspaper, different books, fictions and non-fiction books which are available in the market. There are so many personality developing books available in the market. You go through those books. So certainly you need not to go anywhere and to join any institute, and you will learn and enhance your ability of spoken fluency in English and whatever you desire in you. Because for English spoken, three items are very necessary: the listening power, spoken power, and comprehension power. Whatever any person speaks, so what are you comprehending with that? So it is very necessary in the foreign goers, and there is a test is conducted, TOEFL, etc. So certainly they give you the cassettes to listen, and how much you are able to listen that. On the basis of that, you are selected. So since today you make the habit that you are you are going to learn English, you are going to improve your English. Thank you. It is I think that you will get the benefit of my voice message, and you continue your efforts, and certainly will get succeed. Best of luck to you.